guys, today is October 29th, 2021, and I want to give you a tour of our Airbnb in Cabo San Lucas. So this is the door to get in, and this is only our bedroom that I'm showing you. This is the mirror. Look at the beautiful greenery in the back of me. Here's the big bed. It looks like it's a king size. It looks pretty big, to be honest. Beautiful wood paneling right there. Ceiling fan. And then this door goes into the bathroom. They have cool Spanish tile. And look at this gorgeous view. So beautiful windows. And there's a desk here. We can sit down and work. And look at this. It is stunning. You can see some restaurants right there, and even right here, if we sit, there's a balcony area right here. If we sit right there, we can see the ocean. Now, going this side, there's a water station if we want to get some gallons of water. They have two chairs. These chairs, I like the color of them. Kind of like light blue. Reminds me of chairs I've seen before at 888. They have a table. And then there's a closet. And I love the design of the closet. It's made of all wooden sticks. So if I open it, let me give you a look at that. There's a little picture right there too. Welcome to Los Cabos. Now this is the bathroom, so let's go in. And looks like there's a lot of space in here. It's quiet in here. Can we open these? No, we cannot. There's some towels and look, that's me. Nice space. Sink, toilet, and this is the showering spot. There it is. Yeah. That's it. Very cool space. So we're gonna do a little bit exploring today. Right now it's about 5:47 p.m. and our plan is we're going to get food. We're going to get tacos. We have to get tacos in Cabo. We're going to probably Tacos Gus, which is close to here, and then we're thinking of going to the Lazaro Cardenas Art Walk because they only have it on Fridays, and today's Friday, and we're only here for 6-7 days, so we gotta check it out. So yeah, amazing. Let's have some fun in Cabo. This is the Cactus Quesadilla, and you got the shrimp quesadilla. We got the margarita, the horchata, and our guac. Chips and guac, and it's a nice setting. So this horchata is like the biggest glass of horchata I've ever seen. It's so big. Horchata. Oh, it's so good. A lot of cinnamon and very creamy too. Look how big that is. So I was a huge fan of the horchata. It had the perfect amount of cinnamon and it's very creamy. The chips and guac is good. The guac is really good. Some of these were a little bit too spicy, but still good. And then what do you think of yours?
It's absolutely amazing.
Absolutely amazing?
Shrimp is super, like, cooked really well.
Yes. And then my cactus quesadilla, it tastes like kind of lemony and creamy. It's really good. Good experience. Show up on camera. You can't see it on camera.
This is so freaking cool. I love how they're playing like AC/DC in this bar right now.
Move one of these. Move one of these. Shows up on camera.
Oh, nice. Dang, I'm so tempted to get one or something.
We got tamarind margarita. It tastes pretty good, right?
It's pretty fruity. It's like real smooth, real smoothie.